going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
If you have my New World Order book, you understand. We have the Debeers on blockchain, and we know they have the diamond production on lock. Blockchain gives the NWO the all-seeing eye. Let's get into the video. Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we have Bitcoin and crypto market at about $1.6 trillion. Stocks and cryptos are taking a beating. But do not allow this dip to scare you, because we know we're going to bounce off the bottom. Remember, we're going to be pumping and dumping because they're going to continue on raising rates. So do not allow the dip to scare you. Study a couple cryptos, especially if you don't have a lot of money. This is a trader's dream. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But we know tomorrow night CME opens, so we know it's going to move the market. So make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates. And the 10-year yield is over 3%, guys. So make sure you're watching that. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And also we get another stable coin on Stellar. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. The repo was $1.8 trillion. We know that's helping them maintain these yields. And we have Gary Gensler, which is a chess piece for the NWO. At the SEC as 20 people for the crypto crackdown. And guys, we know regulation is coming this year. We know ISO starts at the end of this year. So that will allow them to bring in global regulation. Remember, cryptos are global. You can no longer think of just the United States. The US dollar, the world reserve currency, all this is changing. Bretton Woods 2.0 is right around the corner. And then also we have Grayscale, which dropped about 300 million down to 32.4 billion from the 32.7. And also we have Grayscale, Bitcoin, and Ethereum funds are now available on Robinhood. And we see crypto being integrated in all of these fintech apps because we know that stocks are eventually going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. And remember, the crypto teacher Ben told you that. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have the Senator Financial Freedom Act would ensure Bitcoin can be in your 401k. And guys, that's all we're seeing when Fidelity announced that they will allow you to buy Bitcoin in your 401k. We've seen nothing but the Hegelian dialectic. And I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But I would never put Bitcoin in my 401k. You have the ability to store your own Bitcoin, and also you can stake Bitcoin yourself, same way as 401k. But 401ks right now are taking a beating, and they're going to continue taking a shellacking. And I've done several videos on 401ks when I first started my channel. 401ks basically took the place of pensions, and then on top of it, 401ks were set up to feed you to death. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have Binance reportedly halts crypto derivative services in Spain. Also, we have crypto mixer sanctioned by the U.S. Treasury for role in Axie Infinity hack. And guys, we keep hearing news of hacks, and we already know who's going to be blamed. And this gives the NWO the ability to put in more of their own rules and take away your privacy. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And lastly, we have Theta Labs to help Sony launch 3D NFT compatible with Spatial Reality Display. And I hope you checked out these Spatial Reality displays because it is unreal. This is something that you saw on TV. But remember, TV is your reality and your life is an illusion. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you know cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Team save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Team goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.